make sure you like and subscribe. Get big thumbs up. So, come on, put you here. So, today we will be seeing my new fidget spinner, and yeah. So yeah. So I'm just trying to see which one is mine. Mine was a purple galaxy. Got it. So I have this purple galaxy. This is bent a little case because yeah, we were throwing it. So yeah, but we have it in now, really buggy. And let me take it out. Can't believe it's here. That's what it looks like without the thing. This is what it looks like in the little case. Fell out. And this is what it looks like in the little case. Try it again. I'm gonna redo that way. And this is what it looks like without the little case. Oh, okay, whatever. So, yeah, and I could use the mold for the inside of this to use, like, because the mold makes fidget spinners and stuff. So, yeah. We could just put the mold in there and put it. Wait, not like that, but we could put the mold in there, get it like that, and it would look like that. And so cool. So, yeah. See if I can spin it like that. Okay, so it's pretty fast. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back now because, yeah. Leave her alone. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, give a big thumbs up. So bye.